anytime ndoshanda, part time, full time, overtime.
Vanhu vakatengesa dzimba, vamwe vakasiya life yavo yange itori raitiraizvokoraro.
Taxman anga achikuona zvakaita iwo akapenda.
Vamwe vakatobvura ma-logistics companies, uye vamwe vakubvura ma-garages.
Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. Thank you very much for the support, the likes, the comments.
We thank you all. Thank you. Really appreciate. We are seeing you, and we really do appreciate everything.
Yeah, so thank you a lot. In today's episode, we are going to discuss about the living situation in the UK and in Zimbabwe. Did you compare with is it still worth it kugara kunoku and kuna vanhu vari kuno vakutaura toda kudzokera? Is it worth it kudzokera kuZimbabwe and vari kuZimbabwe vari kuronga kuya kuno? Yeah, ndezvipi zviri nani?
Is it worth it to start the journey?
Yeah, we'll talk about things like my taxes, ekunoku versus ekuZimbabwe acho, the livelihood, the opportunities. Yeah, especially from opportunities. Emphasis. Yeah, safety, and things like that.
Yeah, career progression. Yes.
Yeah.
So for me, nangu chinhu chakanyanyondipusha. This is chakanyondipusha kuti ndiye kuno. It was school. Ndeda kuya chikoro. Then I was nangogara ndega nangofunga kuti but is it really worth it kuenda chikoro ndiri kumba kuZimbabwe kuno? Sometimes unongochiona vanhu vakatoenda chikoro, they graduated zvakanaka nema-good grades, but they are struggling to find work.
It's true, yeah.
Sometimes it takes years. They never even use the certificates. They end up doing something very different. Yes, unrelated. So I decided, with the help of my family, with the help and support of my family, kuya kuno.
Yeah, for me it was more opportunities why footy, because when I shanda my supervisors, not really my supervisor, but like my superiors from my departments.
Different, yes.
Yeah, so atone craft like boy, corner office, so kabanya life wise, I hopefully don't live with my match. And then owner money Asia. I know UK. Same month here. Asia. I end up UK. I end up Australia. I end up Canada.
Yeah.
Sarah, what's going on? Canada in to Taiwan on lower but we're gonna see. There's probably my big opportunities. I think Gandhi te plan was.
So then you decided to die now Yeah, I think do my main pushes in. But then Tashika pane zvinhu zvatanga kurealize kuti avanyanyo questions experience yekuZimbabwe kanti mabasa eZimbabwe. Because you could see good even wakaita A level, you are forced to do foundation degree.
Yeah.
That's 1 year, which is also equivalent to A level. Yeah. So it's 1 year setback. And then at the same time, Nanenga achiaku basa. My experience, I don't consider a UK experience.
Entry
jobs, yes.
Uri boss, pia makuponi efio zvese zvakadzora, and then obvasvika wakutangira pasi, it's a big shock for many. And even my skills actually, like really transferring my skills to Zimbabwe and my qualifications, we have to translate them.
And even you have to upgrade yourself.
And the good thing about my Zimbabweans is we enjoy things. And small. And then because my opportunities are actually with the companies, they will actually help you upskill. But no getting this you can have my certifications, like internationally recognized.
Yeah, I think every ambassador say they train you, isn't it?
yeah, not only like in
In-house
in-house training, but you can go for subsidized trainings and courses. So go like internationally recognized. Yeah.
Which is a good thing.
Which is a good thing.
Because
And
it's done
Zimbabwe,
for free, which time mari yako yakakwana at the same time.
Because Zimbabwe, my companies maganano.
Mashoma.
Mashoma. So
you can count.
It's a plus.
Yeah.
And because
but you know what wasn't sure which maybe sometimes it's draining mentally because wakuto uzokuita nevamwe vanhu iwe wakajera kuti ndiwe unoita sei ndonokula mashots
ndionoita ma-critical decisions pabasa
and now ndiwe wakuudzirwa
and then chimwe chinhu futi kaipapo ma-opportunities achatinoita now maybe like you were in broadcasting, but for you to get like a broadcasting role with Zimbabwe, it's a bit hard to know how to tango in system, familiarize
or integrate. Exactly.
So could you kwanise kueva undopa borona like most people namna angari bank manager akasia kutauya ovanoita health and social care vamobvaenda kuma-restaurants
and I think after Panama trades it's quite difficult for foreigners to get into. Sengeshana finances compared to engineering, health sector. I think it's easier for us who pin health sector and engineering jobs compared to Nemamwa because no employer my natives.
Yeah, that's true. And those like hands-on jobs
I think that's why inogona kuona munhu anogona kubva ane position yake kumba and then akayakuno struggle kwana basachi in that field and then they have to restart again utanga vamwe vatodzikira chikoro vamwe hazvinobva zvatozongoma they don't do anything vamwe vanofira kuti I'm too old to go back to school pamwe vanenge vaya kuma 40
yeah and
which is a minus to some extent.
And pakuwe papo, like my companies, we have guaranteed work, guaranteed hours. Uchisvika unoshanda kunoshanda. And isusu notice Zimbabweans, not what I ndoshanda. Anytime ndoshanda, part time, full time, overtime. Anytime.
As long as valungobuda mari, you can manage to.
And then some vauya vasvika wana ma-hours
it's different. Singe mukare sector zvakatoitika zvototi vamwe vanhu vakatengesa dzimba vamwe vakasiya life yavo yange itori right kutodaro because they were promised mari yakawanda kunzi you're going to be working even yango chikanzi aina kuwanda but they were promised kuti vari kuya vachishanda. Then they came and later on realized it was a lie. Hakuna ma-hours ekushanda kachakuna ma-hours ekunzi kuti
yeah, but and it's not a sanity.
Not everyone. I mean, like some people.
Some, yeah.
It was a fraction, but it was very significant.
And the ones that got affected, they were like severely affected.
Very.
Yeah, affected seriously. And there were some who part-time and because my restrictions if you are on a work visa, you're only allowed to do certain hours part-time
outside your
main job. But you're going to that's the only way you can.
Yeah, because the other thing you can't survive on part-time because part-time is 20 hours outside your work job, which is not enough for you to survive the whole month. Especially on a muri, maybe for some people they can manage to pay my rent 400 and so. But for someone with a family, it's a body to survive on that.
Yeah, like pakadari papa, and when to survive on this much, I have to grind harder and harder. But remember, whatever you're doing, you're working with government. It was born. Since I say, she knows no affect. And alright, fine. Kune vamwe ashanda pai over atomta anoyota zvona kuti zvishoro muzimbo chokali unoshanda and we really want you on our team saka chiwera and then waswika oenda ikokoko because wambogara kumashoro koko you feel like you've lost your time ufana
kurikava from all
you
that.
see people vanachishanda mahour maovertime aya kuti nanorwa 2 weeks non-stop achienda. If you're enjoying the videos, guys, thank you so much for being part of the journey. Make sure you hit the like button, tap subscribe, and turn the notification bell on so you won't miss an episode, and leave a comment. Washanda daro 2 weeks, 12 hours, 15 hours every day. Remember kuti mari kuna taxman.
Ava
Taxman anga achikuona zvakati iwe wakapenga kuti mari iyoyo inoita se tax inenge ichiwedzera because the more you earn the more tax you pay. Iri progressive system yachona but unoona kuti pakaipa
mari yakawanda. How much is what tax unodependa netax bracket zvako?
Well, tiri ipapo let's actually talk about the tax rates dzekunoku nezezimbabwe, like the deductions about income. In the UK, the first £12,570 you earn in any financial year is the personal allowance, and for this income, there is neither pay-as-you-earn nor national insurance. There is a basic rate for any income ranging between £12,571 to £50,270. There is a pay-as-you-earn rate of 20%, and national insurance is 8%, and this band is the one with the most income payers. For incomes ranging between £50,271 to £125,140, there is the higher rate of pay-as-you-earn, which is 40%. The national insurance goes down to 2%. And the additional rate is for any income above £125,141, which is 45% pay-as-you-earn, and for this band, you do not pay national insurance. We've compiled this data from the government website /income-tax-rates. And to have a rough look at the cost of living, we can mention the standard rate, which is 20% VAT for most goods and services. There's the reduced rate, which is 5% VAT for energy and domestic fuel. There is also the zero rate, and you pay no tax for most foods, books, and children's clothes. In Zimbabwe, there's 0% pay as you earn for incomes less than $1,200, and for those between $1,200 and $3,600, there is 20% pay as you earn. 25% is for incomes between $3,601 to $12,000, and those between $12,000 and $24,000 attract a 30% pay as you earn. 35% is for incomes between $24,000 and $36,000, and any income above $36,000 attracts a 40% pay as you earn. And all the income earners in Zimbabwe are levied a 3% AIDS fee and make a contribution of 4.5% towards the National Social Security Authority. We can also have a look at Zimbabwe's 15.5% VAT charged on most goods and services. There's also a digital services tax, 5% for streaming, advertising, online business, and so forth. 0% tax for basic foodstuffs, and this information was acquired from the Zimra website. Now for a rough comparison between Zimbabwe and the UK, all other things being equal, we can see that Zimbabwe has slightly higher income taxes than the UK. Please note that we're not any financial or fiscal analysts, and this information is solely for the purpose of this video. My taxes are the system is almost the same, but my equivalent achona manje yatinowana tiri kunoko koronzi we are earning the equivalent of that in Zimbabwe will be taxed more, but that's a story for another day. We'll try to dig deeper into that end too, but if God permits tonight in a video on that topic.
That as well.
But either way, after what my taxes were up and down, we still have my rentals, we have my bills to cover.
And can only my activities are not better on my
I remember I used to stay, but I tried to toilet figure. It's still the same on Amazon wanawo mafisa awakadaro, but then unongoshida unotumira futi mari kumba.
still after the opportunities and my systems are in place, they favor your growth, I would say.
They do. And
just have to utilize, to tap into it.
Exactly.
Could you want to say,
Yeah, and you know that kind of Ungaro Zimbabwe or Ungaro South Africa
or any other country,
even ungwene something chawaita, maybe waishanda kana kuti ungwene business kawakawairana. If you were successful, you uchiita zvako in a genuine manner, usikuvhara vanhu, you are just doing your operations in a straightforward, and you're successful. Hapana chinombokutadzisa kuti successful. Most like the system, unotozongozviona iro tongoti hapana apa ndikaramba ndichitoita zvinhu zvinofamba.
Because we've seen people vakauya 3 years, because most of us are nema 3 years. We see people in those vakatobvura logistics companies, we have garages, we have a lot of people because they've been doing it back, and they have that energy, they have the drive. It's very doable. And now system allow, in as much as you are being taxed, but you can do well, I'd say. Because the taxes are high. We're getting paid Maria Kati one day you will be channel relatively, yes.
But then uchitarisa like vanhu vese vari kuita zvinhu zvavo kuti munhu atenga mavhani ake akuitira business kake apa kana kuti ane garage raka. Remember kuti tax, income tax yakasiyana necorporate tax.
That's another advantage.
Because you are now a business owner, that's a completely different category. Your tax inorowa munhu ari papero netax yako iwewe. Of course uri papero yecompany kwako, but because you're the owner, you overlook everything. Saka unoziva mabhatani ekuti.
Yes, we have a lot to discuss, and I think we'll discuss more in another episode.
So thank you very much, guys.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Comments enyu tinomada, guys. Kuna vanhu vane my experiences ave kuti vari kutsva kuti I need to say something.
Yes, to help other people. Please every story, but there's someone.
In the comment section, let's comment, and we're here to help each other. Until next time.
Bye.